family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I just want to make this video, family. I just want to make this video for you guys to let you guys know that this is how I'm eating Mara family and Dimwango. I'm eating them in a financial way because they don't want to come to court and address the matter. So I have to find a way to deal with them. I'm gonna deal with them just like how Michael Jackson deal with Eminem when Eminem disrespect Michael Jackson with that song Lose It Family. So on the screen, I just wanna let you guys know what Michael Jackson did to Eminem when Eminem disrespect him in that music video, family. So this is the same approach I'm taking, and I just want to let you guys know how I'm taking that approach. Seeing that I'm not turning up to court to resolve this issue. You know what I mean? If it's a hoax, if it's a lie, come to court and just address the matter, family. So, you know what I mean? I just want to touch on a few things and just talk about, you know what I mean, how I plan to eat these guys, because it's costing me more. You know, them not coming to court, it's costing me more. Because this is a civil case. This is not like a criminal case when they can give you a stop order on your passport and they can do a lot of things to actually catch you. They can hunt you down. The police won't hunt you. Nobody won't hunt you. Is the law firm that I pay to deal with this right now have to find ways for them to pay forcefully. So I'm making this video for you guys out there saying, you know what I mean, it's in the courts and all of that. Even though the matter is in the court, it's still going to take some time because these people are traveling all over the world and they are doing so. I have to use up a lot of resources and it will cost me money, you know what I mean, to deal with this, because each process, demand letter, you have to pay for that demand letter, you know, guys. I have to pay for that demand letter. It's for 14 days, they never reply. I have to file a lawsuit. I have to file a lawsuit now in the family. You know what I mean? I have to file a lawsuit. I file a lawsuit. Now, I have to, you know what I mean, they have like 7 days to respond. 2 hearing at court, they never show up none at all. Now, you know what I mean, once the judge put that court order and whatever now the attorney have to find ways now. So I have to come with another money now when them come to me and say, this is what we're going to do, this is what we have to do, this is what we're going to do. And most of the time, those things, some of the time it don't work. You have to keep trying. You have to do a lot of stuff, family. You have to, for you to deal with them to pay forcefully, it's going to cost you. Because, you know what I mean, you have to actually get another court order for them to go and repossess the car. You have to do a lot of stuff. So it's not an easy thing, family, like anything them have or whatever. So it won't be easy, guys. I'm telling you. So you guys here see I'm talking and I'm making up noise and stuff on the internet. You have to fight for what you want. So what I'm doing right now to eat Dimwango and Mara, look at it now, family. Now they stop getting super chat. When I used to watch their premiere, people used to send them money and send them this. All of the donors, them gone away. And they don't know that, you know. They don't know that the little small man where I follow you in the village from Africa and building up your numbers watching premiere, they can't even donate not even a shillings. The people in overseas and I send you a big donation, $10, $20, $100, those people gone long time ago. Why? Because them see the truth. Them see that you guys is unfair and you guys is using the internet to take advantage of people. They see that and they know that, family. They see that and they know that. So you feel like, say, oh, because they're getting our views and stuff, you know, I react to another video where the brother tell the sister not to travel in Africa. Traveling to Africa is you make the most money ever when you travel to Africa. When you travel outside, people already live outside. The CPM for Africa is very low. So when you travel outside, it's people from Africa go watch you. You know, I make the money. But when you travel within Africa, it's people outside that watch you, which the CPM is very high, so you make more money. But when you go to Europe, US and all of those foreign countries, you know what I mean? The people them don't want to see that. The people them want to see Africa because the media don't show Africa to the world. So that's the reason why people want to see stuff in Africa. So they don't understand that they're doing themselves damage control. So when the reactors them start to react, yesterday you say something, you say it today, somebody put the video together and people will say, but shit. You know what I mean? You don't understand that your videos them are very long. You know what I mean? People are going to connect the dot. But when the reactors them go in and start cut piece of your video, you say this yesterday, you said that yesterday, you know what I mean? You say, oh, your sister have a liar. When Jam Tour send him documents, there's no way to be finding, no hiding and dodging. So people will start looking and say, but these boys are liars. This boy been scamming us and taking our money for so long, we're gonna stop sending him this money because he's scamming. Foreigner, I am a foreigner too. If I come to Africa, the same thing might happen to me. So we're not gonna send you no more donation. So what I'm doing now, family, you know what I mean, seeing that they don't want to come to court and resolve this issue because, you know what I mean, if it was me, somebody take me to court, they say I do this, I never do nothing, I have my evidence to send that, you know, the money that Jam Tour sent me was for this, and him get what he's supposed to get, and I give him what he's supposed to get and whatever, and that's it. I have no, you know what I mean, I don't owe him nothing. Come to court and resolve the issue. But once you start to hide and dodge, you know what I mean, people start to say, oh, this is the truth, and you're not addressing it. And even when your reactors them address it and talk about it in a good way, why Jam Tour is going to court and all kind of thing, people know it's the truth now. Now, you're actually in problems with your reactors. You don't want them to talk about Jam Tours. You don't want to talk about nothing, you know what I mean? So just to show you that, you know what I mean, you're a liar, and every liar is a thief. So I just want to share this actually, you know what I mean, this screenshot with you guys and this video information, so you guys can actually see that you guys can see, you know what I mean, you know, when you can't catch somebody, you have to catch them pocket, you catch them money, you know what I mean? So when people see this video and say, oh, you know what I mean, Mara, the sister actually take Jam Tour's things, and then Mara is the one who endorse it. Because if Mara was a bigger brother to Demo and gonna say, give back the man his things, make him go on, I am a millionaire, I make more money than the president, even pull it from out of his pocket. Let me see all the receipt, how much money him send you, give it back. I don't want this boy to become talking about us on the internet. But no, you endorse your sister doing that, and you're there and you see everything. It's not like you don't know about this thing. You know about it. You sleep on the bed that I bought and everything, and you stay in my apartment. So it's not like you know about this. So when people come and tell me how much, oh, you know what I mean, you shouldn't be addressing Mara. Mara is one I address because he's the bigger brother, he's the CEO of the family. Anything he says goes. And people would actually, you know what I mean, actually, if he actually advised sister to give back the man in things, and you know that everything that was there, you know what I mean, you know everything. So if you advise sister to do the right thing, this thing would have been over a long time and nobody wouldn't be talking about it. But now, you know what I mean, you have so many scandals on the internet, and you still believe that people should believe in you. When people can now see from the reactors that you're a liar, and every liar is a thief. So from a lie, you will thief. And that's exactly what you encourage your sister to be doing. Because if I take my money and go to court, I expect you to come to court, address the matter, because, you know what I mean, I am defaming you, I am telling lie on you, and that's what I'm doing. Now I have a lie, I'm doing this. Now I want you to come out and serve me papers now. Now that we know that I can get you in court, once you serve me papers, I can get you in court. You know what I mean? So that's what I want. That's why I'm doing this. So you can say, oh, you know what I mean, come to court and resolve the issue so you can done, because this will never done, family. It will never done. It's always gonna be around, no matter what you do. You could have hide under a rock. You know what I mean? You have to come and resolve this issue. Yeah, family, I don't want this video to go long. And you know what I mean, and I want you guys to go and check out the merch on the website. The merch is on the website, family. Go and check it out. Like, share, and comment on this video. And just, you know what I mean, just tell a friend to tell Mara and his sister to give Jam Tours his refund, because it's in the court and the court is an order. You know what I mean? If I never serious about this, I wouldn't spend my money to get an attorney to deal with this. So I don't see why you guys think that it's a joke and you want to hide. And this will never go away. It's in the court now, it's never go away. And I'll be talking about it. Other reactors will be talking about it. And I'll be reacting. I will become a reactor until this case is solved, because that's the only way I can deal with this, is try to eat. You know what I mean? The fans is what you guys live off and depend on. So I'm going to show the fans that you guys are not trustworthy and dishonest. I'm gonna show the fans. When the fans them see this, the fans them will judge, and the fans them will decide, say, yo, we're not sending these people no more money. We're not sending them no more money, and that's what we're doing, because we can see that these people are not trustworthy. And if they can do this to Jam Tours, come all the way from Jamaica, trying to build an African family, if they can do this to this guy, they will do it to me too. You know what I mean? And I never come and beg these people for nothing. Everything I'm doing is my own money I'm spending, you know what I mean, just out of good heart, because you're new to the continent and you're looking for a person to connect with and deal with and stuff. Out of your good heart, you're doing things, family. So I want you guys to read this post and understand that, you know what I mean, and intelligent people now go war and fight, but we'll find ways to deal with your pocket. Your pocket got to burn. You have to understand, you know, you're not self-made. You know what I mean? Once you're not making money that don't involve people, you should be honest. Once you're dealing with the public and you have to depend on someone to send you a donation, you have to depend on someone to watch your video, you have to be careful. If you're not self-made, that, you know what I mean, you're making money, nobody know what you're doing, but you're making the money honestly and whatever, and you come and do your thing, nobody cannot talk to you. You're a king in this world, because you know, depend upon a man for a cent. But you online depending on fans to build you up, but yet still you tear down other fans. You're actually tearing down someone and lying on the internet, you know what I mean, and creating a lot of madness, and feel like you're still gonna be on top. You feel like people still gonna support you and stuff. You know what I mean? And that's the thing. Life, the universe doesn't work like that. You guys need to understand that the universe doesn't work like that, family. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Please like, share, comment on the video. Tell a friend to tell Ayamara to advise his sister to just refund. You know what I mean? And there's a lot of things I want to say, but I cannot say it because I don't want to put no other content creator in problems. But there's things that I know that I'm just waiting to actually spill the beans. Just the beans needs to be spilled right now on these people, so people can see, you know what I mean, the type of people you're dealing with. You know what I mean? And that's the thing. You know what I mean? People don't know that, you know what I mean, it's just because I don't want to actually expose and say certain things. But I'm going to save it for a later date. A later date will come out when everybody will know the truth about this matter. You know what I mean? And that's the thing. You have to understand, you know, when somebody is silent about something, they're silent because they're guilty. And you can't tell me that all of these things on the internet about you, and you still cannot come out and say something. Just come out and say Jam Tours, Ray, say your side. You still can't say nothing, and you still expect this sort of sleep under the rug when the entire your internet is talking about it, family. I don't understand how you decide, you know what I mean, to actually grow on YouTube and continue making money on YouTube when you treat people like that, family. Yeah, guys, so this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. One love, Jamaica.